Maniacs. We're here again today to model a game that can be used for place value, and I like to use it with decimals. It is from a wonderful resource from Boxcars and One-Eyed Jacks, who we used this game with permission from, and it's from the resource All Hands on Deck. And this is one of the resources I love because it's in a big book form now, so the game boards are all 8.5 by 11s. Now I've switched this game up a bit from what they've done. I like to use a place value mat that's blank. So what you can do is get someone to, I use foam ones from the dollar store and I just flip them over and write on them. You can do that. Or you make a blank one, laminated, so that you can move your decimal around, or if you just want all whole numbers, or if you want decimals. So I like to have them blank, laminated, and then you can get the children to fill in the place value chart, because I find some children don't really know place value charts. So if you say, well, make place value chart, they don't know how to create it, but if they create it together, it helps them to know ones, tens, hundreds, tenths, hundreds, and the order that they come in. So we're going to play this game, and they're trying to create the largest number with decimals. So here we go. So here's my game board made. I've decided to go to thousands because in grade 5 we go to thousands. In grade 4 you would go to hundreds. So your ace to 9 with cards, shuffle them, place them face down on your game board. You can play with 2 people, so the partner does this as well with their cards. Now you take turns going back and forth. You turn over a card, you grab a card, you look, you decide if you're going to keep it. If you're going to keep it, you have to exchange it for one. If you're not, you discard it, but you have to turn one over and it has to stay in that spot. So I'm going to turn over my hundreds. Now my partner would do the same. Now it comes back to me. I take a card, I see if I'm going to use this one. I'm going to switch it out for my thousands. Once you switch it, you can't take it back. Oh, look at that. Okay, so play, my partner would go, now I would go. I take a card. I'm going to switch my tenths. Oh, that was a good switch. Now back and forth, my turn again. Again, you're trying to create, wow, the largest number. 3. I don't want the 3. I'm going to risk it, but I have to keep this one. Ah, there is my number. Now you would get them to read their number. 57 and 684 thousandths. And whoever has the largest number gets a point. So here's another version of Switch It with whole numbers. Same placemat, you can laminate and fill in your place value chart, and you have your cards laid out already. So first person takes a card. They decide whether they're going to keep or discard. So I'm going to keep it. I'm going to switch out my tens. And you have to decide. So once you've decided to switch, you have to keep it. Now my partner's going to go. They're going to pick a card, decide whether they're going to keep it. My turn. 5. Oh man, please. Oh, I am not doing well today. All right, ace. Oh, I am going to throw that, discard, but now I have to decide which one I'm going to turn over. And I'm going to turn over hundreds. Now my partner will go, comes back to me. 9. I am going to take that for my 10 thousandths. And okay, last card. Oh no. And you just turn over. Oh, that worked out in my favor. Now you're going to read your number, 97,645. Your partner reads their number, and whoever has the greatest number gets a point. You can always go least number if you would like to variations, and there's lots of variations in Boxcars and One-Eyed Jacks. Hope you enjoy. So thank you so much for watching Math Mania. And if you haven't subscribed yet, press the button so you get notifications on all our new games coming up. This game was modified from Switch It, which comes from All Hands on Deck, copyrighted by Boxcars and One-Eyed Jacks, and they have so graciously let us use their games today. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks very much for watching.